So now we come to subtopic 12.5, where we will see that what are the factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. Now the resistance of a conductor depends on three factors. Okay, the first one is length. Then number two is the area, the area of its cross section. And number three is the nature of its material. So these are the three factors on which the resistance of a conductor depends. What are the factors? Length, area of its cross section, nature of its materials. Now here the along with the factors, here the precise measurement have shown that the resistance of a uniform metallic conductor is directly proportional to its length. Okay, so this is the resistance of a uniform metallic conductor, which is directly proportional to length, that is L, right, and inversely proportional to the area of its cross section, and it is inversely proportional to the area of its cross section, that is L by A. Okay, L is the length and A is the area of cross section, right? So when we combine these two equation, what do we get? We get R, which is equal to rho L by A, right? Now here rho is a constant. Okay, this is a constant here, and this constant, it is called the electrical resistivity. What is it called? It is called the electrical resistivity, right? So this rho is called the electrical resistivity, and the SI unit of rho is ohm meter. Okay, so the SI unit of rho is ohm meter. Now in your suppose I tell that the electrical resistivity of copper is 1.62. The electrical resistivity of copper. Okay, I take the electrical resistivity of copper and I say that the electrical resistivity of copper is 1.62 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Now what do I mean by this? Okay, by writing this, I mean that the copper wire, okay, the copper wire which is of the length of 1 meter and the area of the cross section is 1 meter square, has a resistance of this. Okay, so what do I mean? I mean that the copper wire which has the length of L meter or 1 meter and area of cross section of 1 meter square has a resistance of 1.62 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. So this is what is the meaning of this. Next we come to the next topic, that is the difference between resistance and resistivity. Okay, so the difference between resistance and resistivity, we have studied about resistance also, we have studied about resistivity also, right? So what is the difference between them? So resistance of a conductor, what is it? The resistance of a conductor is the obstruction. Okay, both are obstructions only. Resistance is also obstruction, resistivity is also obstruction, but resistance is of a conductor is the obstruction offered by the conductor for the flow of the current through it. Okay, so the obstruction is of the flow of current. Okay, and what is resistivity? Resistivity of a material is also the obstruction offered by the conductor of that material of length L meter or 1 meter and the area of cross section 1 meter square. So here it is 1 meter or 1 meter square. So the obstruction is of length 1 meter or area cross section of 1 meter square, right? In this is number 1. Number 2 is what? Number 2, it is that the resistance depends on the material length and area cross section of the conductor. We have studied about the factors on which the resistance depend. So all those 3 factors comes here. Okay, and resistivity is what? Resistivity does not depend on length and area of cross section. Okay, so it does not depend on length and area of cross section, right? Then number 3, the SI unit of resistance is what? It is ohm. Okay, the SI unit of resistance is ohm, whereas the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Okay, the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. So is this clear? The difference between resistance and resistivity. So resistance of a conductor is the obstruction offered by the conductor for the flow of current through it. Okay, and resistivity is of a material is the obstruction offered by a conductor of that material of length 1 meter and area of cross section 1 meter square. Next, number 2 is resistance depend on 3 factors: length, then area of cross section and the material used. But resistivity does not depend on length and area of cross section. The SI unit of resistance is ohm, whereas the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Okay, so this is all about this topic. Next week we will be coming to the next set of topic.